Rita Roche, and today is day number in Let's Get Creative Challenge, where every day for 30 days, I do something creative. The rules for this challenge is that it can be anything as long as I have the supplies available. So far, I've done some paintings, I've done some woodwork, I've done some light sculpting, and today I am going to do a little bit of woodworking on the Shaper Origin. I have a customer who has requested a special order of a nativity scene. So this counts. I'm getting in here, I'm getting creative, and it's not something that I've done before. So let's get to it. I'll show you what I've got planned. So here is the Shaper Origin. I did one other video featuring the Shaper, but if you did not see that, I will leave a little info card up here and I'll give you a quick rundown on what this is. This is a computer file guided router. You can see a little router bit down there. Basically, you upload a file of what you would like to cut out, and using all of these domino stickers, the Shaper reads the stickers and it's able to tell where it is on your wood piece. And that way it's able to cut out precisely what you want. So the only thing that you have to do is physically move it around. There are some guidelines. You can kind of see one from a previous project that's popping up right there. You just follow the guideline. So like I would go this way. Oops, no, this way. And if you get too far away, like I am right now, then it just stops cutting. And you see, there I am. You have a 1-inch variance. So I can go 1 inch too far either way, and it will self-correct, and it moves back and forth on its own inside this little cradle. So I'm going to cut out a nativity scene using the Shaper, and I'm going to put you on time lapse because it will be very loud. I'm going to have a vacuum dust collector going at the same time. I highly suggest when you do woodworking projects, you wear safety goggles, maybe muffs for your ears. I'm not going to be wearing it because my husband has borrowed mine and he didn't return them. So I have to get this done regardless. So just be careful. So, all right, I'm gonna put you on time lapse now. Here we are, all cut out. Let me just pull it out. Here it is. Little Mary and Joseph manger scene. I really like the way it came out. I wasn't sure because this is the first time I've done this. I designed these first in Adobe Illustrator, make it an SVG file, and then I send it over to what's called the Shaper Hub, where you upload your files and then they can get downloaded with your Wi-Fi into the shaper, or you could also use a USB card. So that's it. So I'm going to sand it a little bit. You can see it's a little bit rough. My bit is on its last legs. I need to get a new one, a sharper one. But I like it. I hope you like it too. So I'll show you the final bit once it's sanded. There we go. So here is the finished product. Mary and Joseph, 1/4 inch white birch plywood. Really simple, but somebody's going to make this into a great decoration for their Christmas celebration. They want it unfinished, so I hope they send me a picture to see what the final product will be. So that's it for today, short and sweet. This is Sarita LaRoche. You can always find me at SaritaLaRoche.com. I'd really appreciate it if you like or comment or subscribe, or all three is even better. Appreciate everyone who supports my channel. Have a great day.